My daughter's here. We're going to do the cold start. I did want her to get a picture of this plate here. I always like that. The maximum permissible downshift speeds. Drive to third is 44, third to second is 31, and second to first is 17 miles an hour. Anyhow, so it's always been a very easy starting bike. You don't need to do a lot of primers on it. So you turn on the gas. See, yeah, this thing is cold. So you turn on the gas. I always click it, one click on the choke. I retard it. A lot of times I don't retard it all the way. I'll give her like one kick, primer, and that should do it. Let's see how she goes. It's comfortable with them handlebars. I know they're not, quote, original, but it is comfortable to ride. It's easy shift. And again, that clutch with the lead clutch is so simple. Oh, I didn't do the siren. Hey. Still in neutral, gas still on. People love that. Drive her up to your bike club and turn on the siren. Everybody loves to see that.
There you go.
There you go.